Alright, here we go. How deep is the snow? Here's a snow mound over here. Here's the garage door. Here's the snow pile I just shoveled this morning. Let's see if I can keep the camera on it, get the light on it. There we go. It's the back of the car, so you get a better idea. There we go. Snow mound. It's as tall as I am. There's the walkway to the front door. Took me 2 hours to shovel this out. Even the guys with the snow blowers are doing about the same, hour or two to get their driveways done. Beautiful, isn't it? Enjoy.